Without the will to run, to get up, I only see the sky fading. Isolation was my place, a shelter made of silence and sea. But in the depths of the night I heard a light insisting on existing. And when everything loses its color, a thread of warmth still remains. Cold winds will pass. My heart wants to awaken. Even breathing in the shadows, there's a reason to stay. The hours weigh like the ground, and winter invades the song. When sadness wants to win, I search for a new